hello.
Woo!
Welcome to Manggoyo channel. Today we're going to do his assignment. Trace. Trace lang ikaw. Do assignment. Trace it. Trace mo yan. Oh, galing naman. Very good Frostiko ah.
Kumubra. Saan ka nakatingin kasi? Ako muna.
Ang galing ah. Para ka lang nag-drive niyan na. Diba? Okay. Next. Drive na ikaw ulit. Trace mo. Beep. This one. Last. This one. Drive ka ulit. Going to mountain.
Up and down.
Up and down. Up and down. Up and down.
So up and down.
Up and down. Up and down.
The people up and down.
Okay. Question number 2. Ano daw yan? Color, cut, and paste the things used and wear boy and girl. Oh.
Mommy, ako go. Ikaw si Galas boy.
No, siya lang kasi boy siya eh. Oh, boy, oh. This one, ano, girl or boy?
Girl.
At this one?
Boy.
Boy, oh, you color. What color do you want?
Color.
Color?
I want to help you.
What color?
I want to help.
What color? What do you want color? Blue na lang.
Blue.
Okay, you color the cup.
Ako.
Sige.
I want to help. I want to help. Let me help you.
Next, oh, what color pa? Yung pamboy. This one, girl or boy?
Girl.
Oh, ito, this one.
Boy.
It's a boy. Oh, yung color. Oh, what color naman ng car?
Red.
Oh, red. Oh, you color the, ano. Oh, wait natin si ate. Okay, oh, can I borrow? Color red. You color your car. Slowly.
Mommy, meron pink.
Okay, next.
Actually,
This one. Brief.
the
Boy or girl?
girl. Diba pink yung ribbon?
What color of your brief? Color black na lang.
Why? Why?
Color black. Then ate will help you. You will cut the ano.
Diba sa
You,
boy?
oh yes, you.
Diba sa boy yan? Sa t-shirt?
Opo, t-shirt. Oh, what color of t-shirt? Orange na lang.
Yeah.
Orange. Oh, color mo yan. Dali. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Okay.
Ako makat na.
Finish na. Ate will cut.
Kano makat yun?
Wait lang ha. Oh, wait lang.
Ay, stop!
Opo. Help ka ni ate. Thank you, ate. Ate, thank you. Look at me muna. Smile. Help ka ni ate. Oh, thank you, ate. Ay! Ay, ano na? Okay, oh. Put namin ng glue. Ate, ano mo muna ng mga boy? Pang boy muna. Okay, si ate nagkakat niya yung mga...
Mommy, stop. Mommy, stop.
Stop mo.
Diba pang Sunday lang? Not only Sunday.
Ay!
Not only Monday, Tuesday,
Opo.
Wednesday, Thursday. Wala Friday. Yung
Ayaw?
Next.
No, this one, oh. Put natin, oh. Put natin dito. Put natin. This one, oh. Oh, wow.
Ito sa girl yan. Ito sa boy yan.
Oh, wow. Galing nga. Next, brief.
Diba panty?
Brief. Brief. Yung parang panty. Show it to them. Okay. T-shirt and cup. What next, ate? Brief.
What is Tagalog panty?
Ano?
Nakita naman.
Next, what next?
Car.
A car. Asan yung brief?
Ito.
Okay. Ikaw mag-put. Next car.
Oh my God! Here's the car.
Put mo.
Nasiguro.
Put mo yan.
Nasiguro.
Okay, good. Done. Finish. Next. This one.
Diba sa girl?
Opo.
I want your help.
Hey, ikaw.
Glue. Bakit gamitin yan? Mommy, stop. There's a glue.
Yes, glue. Put mo ng put mo ng color paper.
I know that. Ma, I know that.
Opo.
Bakit gamitin ka?
Eh, kasi ayaw lumabas ng ano eh. Oh, yung ano sasalo? Oh, put mo nito. Oh, put mo yan, oh. Frosty. Clear.
Okay.
Ayan, dito, this one. Nun, ayan, red dyan. Red. This one, green. Put mo yung red. Red. Put mo dyan yung red. Okay.
Apple. Apple. Oh, where my apple?
Ayan. Put mo. O yan, put mo dyan yung apple.
Hi, we have a finger. I'll go wash your hands. And then red.
Ito pa. Kalat mo.
Yeah, you can say we.
Okay. Done na po yung module. Smile ka na, Frosty. Bye-bye ka na.
What was good?
Bye-bye.
Mommy, what was this?
Flying kiss na, Frosty.
What was this good?
Okay, later. Oh, flying kiss na. Bye-bye. Frosty. Dito, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Oh, flying kiss na. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
Okay. Apple niya.